This is an electronic LCD clock with outlets and USB port. This is the power outlet. This comes with a manual and the clock itself. Manual is in English and all descriptive things are given in here. This manual is very helpful, and this is the clock. It looks like a little steel or the metal. Outside 2 outlets, 3 USB alarm clock. And this is a little for the battery or the extra power. Here you can see it's 100 to 240 volts, so it can be used any country and anywhere. And this is 2 AAA batteries, can be included for the display and stuff. I'm just putting it into the outlet, the power outlet, to show you other things. And here, so this 3 pins heavy cable, you can see like the thickness. And now I will just put it in outlet. So here it shows like it's a big digits, is good. And just to start and input the time, you can press the snooze and the dimmer button. So there's the 3 dimmer quality as well, and then dimmer, but that it will be like dim a little 3, and then very dim, like bright, less bright, and low bright. Here you can see that you can adjust the time and the alarm with these buttons. It is already given in the manual, but you can just press the middle button for 2 seconds, and then the year things will come, and then press the alarm by clock 2 button, and then selected year, enter into the month setting. After month and date, you can press the alarm clock.